Are you going to work or something?
Pascal, I can't do this with you this morning. Just leave me alone.
Wait first. Wait. Hold on. Where are you going? That's my question. Answer me first.
I can't do this with you this morning.
I'm asking a question. Where are you going? You're going to work.
Pascal, get out of my way.
I'm not going anywhere. Just tell me where you are. I married you, right?
For the upturned time, leave my way.
You're not going anywhere. That's my instruction. I gave instruction not to walk, and that is what you must obey.
Really?
Yes.
You know what? You are filled with insecurities.
Okay.
You go about town gallivanting with your numerous side chicks. You without even a respect or sacredness to our marriage. And you dare talk to me? Excuse me.
I'm not excusing you. Go up there and change to your house where you're not going anywhere. That's the instruction.
Hello. Yeah, you're talking to the CEO, Solid Furnitures Limited. What can I do for you?
Morning. What do you mean, sir? Love letter from where? What do you mean by that? Are you for real? So sorry about that. How? What love letter from? Sir, please, I'm going through it now. So, let me call you back, sir. So I'll just have a recheck. What kind of silly mistake is this? Huh? How would I just copy? Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Can I send a love letter? Jesus Christ, I feel so ashamed of myself now. I feel so ashamed of myself now. What kind of silly mistake is this? Huh? Can I be carried away? Hi! Oh God. What kind of message is this? Huh? Huh? She got sent a love letter, I copied it and sent it to a cop. This is very, very embarrassing. This is the message I'm supposed to send now. Hello, sir. Please, I'm deeply sorry. I don't know. It looks like I had a system malfunction. I've sent the real copy now. You can check your email.
Sorry, sir, it's a mistake. That will never happen again. Just check your email now, I just dropped. Alright, sir. Please, if you have any question on the budget, you just call me, okay? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's fine. I'll include it then. Alright, sir.
How about your baby?
Ah, my baby. My baby is doing very fine.
What are you guys up to?
Well. I can see some majors are actually so interested in my love life. So let me take off the sheets so I can see them properly. Nothing much. Just an office romance.
You guys do it in the office?
Oh gosh. Come on, Tony. I mean, I know you are an illiterate, but not a stack. Haven't you heard about the word quickie? That is the sweetest part of sex. Oh gosh. I mean, is it the way this guy talks to me? Is it the way he touches me? It makes me want to go on and on and on with him, irrespective of the location.
Sugar,
What?
this is not right.
Please. What is not right?
Have you thought about being bashed in on by maybe a client or his wife?
What? That log of wood? She is nothing but a piece of furniture decoration in the house. Please.
And I heard she made him.
Pascal, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. This is not you. What changed?
What changed is very simple. Status. I am not a local carpenter you used to know. A local carpenter that repairs bench, stool, all those rubbish. I am the CEO, Solid Furnitures Limited. I've gone international. I do businesses with, name it. So you don't expect me to still be that same person that you know. So many things changed.
You are now so arrogant.
I am not arrogant. I'm only telling you that you don't expect me to still be that person. No.
You are now proud, Pascal. Pascal, you couldn't even write your name. I fell in love with you. There was nothing to even fall in love with. I just fell in love with you from my heart. I made you the man you are now. I made you the man. I prayed for you. I changed your status. I gave you money. I gave you hope even when you were hopeless. Pascal, where were all those slave queens? Where were all those women? I bet they would never even look at you because you were so dirty. Yet I stood by you and you want to get rid of me. Pascal, what did I do to you? Why do you want to get rid of this woman that took so much sacrifice for you? Why do you want to get rid of me? You hurt me so much. All you do is leave this house and return late in the night, reeking of alcohol.
What is the point of coming back to this house when you have refused to give me a child? What am I coming back for?
You think it's only you? That guy is a womanizer.
Can you just please?
He sleeps with anything and everything in skirts.
Can you stop, you retarded being? Stop it!
Look, let me tell you. That guy is only using you girls.
God.
He uses you and gives you money. Because he knows that that is the only thing you want. Money.
Just like I am not going to give you a dime for this piece of information. Do you know why, honey? Because, bitch, I know you're broke.
Can you hear yourself sound stupid?
I am not stupid. I just love him.
You love another woman's husband. Sugar, are you okay?
Sweet in the middle.
Are you okay? Like, have you lost it? Wait, you're in love with another woman's husband? Is this the reason you left Eric to lick his own wounds?
Oh, please. That's a baboon's name now. Come off it. Who still answers that kind of irritating, disgusting, stinking, wretched name? Let's just say my baby, my Peperito, asked me to dump him because he was going to divorce his wife and get married to me. And together we shall live forever. That's what he promised me.
And you did?
Yes, of course I did, honey.
Sugar, you don't even have any sense. I've just been overrating you.
Eh?
You did?
I don't understand. Wait, is that supposed to be some insult?
Sugar, you are my friend. And I'll tell you the truth. This guy is only using you. He is only using you.
You know, the way you've been sounding recently, you're beginning to sound as if you've seen my Pascal with any other one. Have you?
If you are doubting the authenticity of this information I just divulged to you, I'll take you to somewhere where you'll see things for yourself.
Hey, from the color combination of your clothes, I mean everything about you, it shows you're very serious. No, you're okay. You've taken your afternoon pills, right? No, you're alright. You're sounding normal. No, you're very serious.
Sugar, this is the reason I keep telling you that dating married men for any reason at all is not honorable. Do you even care about the wife? I mean, do you care about what your actions put her through? What if you get married tomorrow and other girls are sleeping with your husband right under your nose? How would you feel? I just need you to put yourself in her shoes and think. You're a woman.
Well, it's not my fault. I didn't go to him. He came to me. He tested it and he liked what he tested. And it's not my fault that I'm sweet in the middle.
Sugar, stop sounding like a fool.
It is your father, your mother, your great-grandfather, your ancient parents, your entire generation that is a fool. Look at this idiot. Are you mad? I'm going to pull off that synthetic hair you have on your eyes and your quiet lashes. See this one, who is a fool? If you want to advise me, that's not insult me, I beg. Now sweet as sweet, I don't keep person.
Sugar, find your own man. Find your own man and leave some other person's man alone. Leave someone's husband alone. You're causing the woman pain and it is not nice. You're a woman.
Virgin.
Are you not aware that child brings happiness at home? At least when I'm coming back, there should be children to tell me, Daddy, welcome. I'm not getting that for the number of years that we've been together. And you expect me to come back here to do what? It's frustrating.
Are you insinuating I'm the cause of our childlessness?
Yes. It's obviously not my fault. It's your fault.
Then why have you refused to go for the fertility test with Dr. Damien? Why?
Why would I go for fertility test when I know it's not my fault? I am fertile. I've gotten a woman pregnant before. I told you that. If not for being scared, young age, my first daughter would have been your age. Or maybe my son.
Pascal.
But it's just that, young age, we are scared. Parents, what would they say and all of that? So, that happened.
Pascal, I gave you the life you have now. And you want to hurt me.
Don't even...
You want to hurt me and make me a sad woman.
Don't blackmail me with that. What I'm trying to say is that let's fight to... Please, you know what? Let me just collect. I need to collect it. Don't do this, please.
Pascal, I made you the man you are, Pascal.
How did you make me?
I gave you a degree in business management.
How did you make
and
me?
you look me in the face and talk to me that way.
Did you teach me how to hit the nail, the hammer on the nail? I learned how to be a carpenter. I did it. I did all of that myself. I'm not disputing the fact that, of course, you contributed, but that is not what I'm saying. Please. Please.
Pascal!
I'm not surprised, but a little disappointed, honey. Come on. I mean, what do I expect? Coming from someone who is so jobless, who does nothing but sit at home, freshen up, apply some stupid, retarded cheap makeup on her stupid face. Debunk that rumor. It is not true. I am the one dating this guy, and I am the only one to tell you what happens in his life and what doesn't.
Sugar,
Sweet in the middle, honey.
ask him. Ask your so-called baby. I am very certain he won't deny it. You see that woman he now treats like a piece of trash just because of his numerous side chicks. She is the reason for whoever you think he is today. She made him.
I can understand you're bitter-hearted. I mean, you're not just getting older. You don't even have a serious relationship. You're single, you're frustrated. Well, point of correction, darling. I am not a side chick. I am the mother hen. The only girl sweet in the middle. Sugar. Understood.
I can't wait for you to just wake up from this nightmare.
You know, I think it's time for me to go have some quickie too. This time around, guess where? In the restaurant.
My father, you said in your word that there shall not be any barren woman in the land. Father, I am not barren. My husband Pascal is not barren. We are not barren. We are going to carry the fruit of our labor. We must carry our child. You said in your word that we should go into the world and multiply. Father, we must multiply. We are not barren in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, every counsel of Ahithophel that wants to frustrate us, Father, turn it to foolishness. Where is that mountain? Where is that mountain that has said that I'm not going to carry my child with my own hand? Father, frustrate it. Every ungodly power that is fighting against my family, that is fighting against my husband, Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, I cancel that mountain. I cancel that mountain in the mighty name of Jesus. Every ungodly mountain that is fighting against my family, die by fire, die by fire, die by fire, die by fire. I will carry my child. I, Mabel, will carry my child. Pascal is going to carry his child in the mighty name of Jesus. Every evil altar that is speaking against my marriage, I cancel in the mighty name of Jesus. I cancel in the mighty Father, you said in your word, is there anything too hard for you to do? Father, the answer is no. You are the impossibility specialist. You are the God that says yes and no man can say no. Father, begin to say yes in this marriage in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes for a baby boy. Yes for a baby girl. Yes for a baby girl. Father, there is nothing too hard for you to do. You are the Lord of Abraham. You are the Lord of Isaac. You are the Lord of Joshua. You are the Lord that turned water into wine. Father, is there anything you cannot do? Father, you cannot change in my situation. Father, you cannot change in my situation. Father, give me a child. Give me a child. Give me a blessed home in the mighty name of Jesus.
Hi, babe.
Hi, baby. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You look good.
Sweet in the middle.
You know what I'm saying? You look good.
Thank you. So how was the night?
The night was just there.
Good.
Fine.
You came pretty late to work.
Oh yeah, I stopped by at the workshop to know what's going on there.
I thought as much. Okay. So have you had breakfast?
No, I had things doing, so I couldn't stay back for breakfast.
I don't get. There's no food at home, or your wife didn't make breakfast for you.
No, that's what I said. I mean, I couldn't stay back for one, so I just left. But maybe you can help me get food quickly.
Okay. I actually brought this for you. So you could go through it and get back to me to the system.
Okay.
So,
Right.
I'll be waiting to hear from you.
That's fine. Not so fast. Come here.
I just knew you couldn't resist.
Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh. I give you my heart, my soul, my everything. Boy, you done that way, chasing fleeting dreams. I waited in silence, hoping you would see the love that I offered, the woman I could be. I've been crying, rain, night after night, hoping you would come back, make everything right. But you keep running, leaving me behind. Now I'm picking up.
Okay, so make sure you get the...
Yes, the... I'll get the food, sir.
Yeah, prepare my mind.
Sir?
Make sure you get it. Sit. I have headache.
Oh, sorry, sir. Okay. Chukwudi said you asked of me when you came to the workshop.
Yes. Why is the couch not in the showroom yet?
We had lapses, but we have fixed it.
You have lapses.
Yes, sir.
I want that couch in the showroom 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
You can go.
No, that is, sir.
Yeah, Chukwemeka,
Sir?
the next time you come in here, you knock.
Okay, sir.
Because I might be doing calculation, so my mind will not fly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because you almost... okay?
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Sorry, sir, for the error.
Are you sure this boy didn't see anything? Because the way he's answering, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you sure there is nothing? Huh? slow-mo. Huh? Please get me my food. I'm very hungry. Very famished, please. Now.
Okay.
Please, fast. What's wrong? Why are you holding your tummy? You're fasting, right?
Yes.
Look, I don't understand though. I don't really understand this style. You fast every day? You have to take it easy, oh. You have to take it easy. Ulcer kills. Ulcer kills. You're overdoing it because I don't understand why you be fasting on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Every now and then you're fasting. It's not even to fast from maybe 6 to 12. You're on the 6 to 6. Dry fasting without water. Who does that? Eh? Please, oh. It's not if anything happens to you. Your people will say, I used you for rituals. Please. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Just
Even Adeboye has not fasted like this. Yeah? Oh. Hello, sweetest of them all. Bonita. Sukri. I'm okay. I just got back. You already know this our job is very, very stressful. You see, I'm thinking, why don't we spice things up, you know? Maybe go for vacation. All these maybe resorts in Abuja or Ibom resorts in Akwa Ibom or Tinapa. You know, just you and I, you know, just have the weekend together. Exactly, because our job is not easy. So we need to like chill, relax, you know, have a good time. You know, wake up, make love, eat, wake up, sleep, make love, eat, sleep, you know, repeat it for some days and life will be sweet like that, huh? Okay, sir. Yes, just you and I, and our workers. Okay. All right.
Your food is served.
I don't like this thing, no. You know, I'm saying it, you think I'm joking. This is not the way they do things.
Pascal, are you not bothered?
Bothered about what? Huh?
It's 5 good years of childlessness. And you're not even bothered. You're supposed to join me in praying and fasting.
So, because of childlessness, you want to kill yourself? If you die, who will now give birth to the child? I'm not saying you shouldn't fast. I'm saying you should not overdo it. Only you fast Monday. Only you fast Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Even if you want to ascend to heaven. Eh? I'm only saying you should take things easy. Please, oh. Please.
May God forgive you.
God forgive.
Refi.
every night and day. I stay back in this house praying for us, praying for our marriage. And all you do is gallivanting, looking for a hole to dig. Is this the solution to our childlessness, Pascal?
What is this? What are you talking about? What's this?
Pascal, I saw this in your pocket hole. I need an explanation to this. What is this?
I don't know. I don't know how this got into my pocket. I don't know. Is that a face mask? I don't know. I was even thinking it's a face mask. Maybe someone forgot thinking it's a face mask and I'm putting it inside my pocket. I don't know.
Pascal, the other day, it was lipstick stain. And now it's a woman's panty. Who knows what is going to be? Who knows what is going to be another day?
No, I don't know.
What is wrong with you? How can a man be so insensitive and heartless at the same time? What is wrong with you? You know what? I am done. I am done with the sham called marriage, and I'm getting a divorce. You must give it to me. Get out, idiots!
Oh my God. Can I be so careless? God will not allow this divorce to happen. No, never. Because this woman is a blessing to me. This woman is a blessing to me. Ever since we got married, I've been having so many blocks. Contracts here and there. No. What do I tell her? How do I convince her that I know nothing about this? Eh? How can a pants be inside my suit? What will I tell her? Babe.
You had a woman's pants in your suit. Pascal, what is wrong with you?
Does it look like something is wrong with me?
Or you do not know that something is wrong with you? This is a woman that has chosen to love you with all her heart. Why are you treating her this way? Cheating on her with your secretary? Maybe has really enjoyed a lot with you.
She wants divorce. And I'm not ready for that.
Well, since you won't stop treating her like a piece of shit, give her the divorce.
Well, you know I can't. You know these things. How can you be saying give her a divorce like it's easy to do? It's not an easy thing to do, bro.
It's not an easy thing for you to do. What do you do when you don't want something? You let it slide. Let her go.
Basil, the reason I'm still standing tall, getting all these contracts, progressing is because of Mabel's prayers.
No. It's because you are using her for your own selfish reasons. That's why. You know, it's so disheartening how people change. Maybe I need to take you down memory lane. Back in the days of apprenticeship at Ogarafel's shop, when you could not afford to feed. That girl, Mabel, will bring food from her mother's shop for you to eat because you could not afford to pay for it. Have you forgotten so soon? This whole wealth that you are gathering is because of her sacrifice.
Mabel, your husband is a very rich man. And I know he provides for this family. Are you eating very well? Or have you been fasting? Bruce, you would not understand. This Mabel I'm seeing now is not the Mabel I used to know. The Mabel I used to know used to look very smart, cheerful, cute and pretty. This one is ugly. This one I'm seeing now is looking ugly, sad. Where did that Mabel disappear to? This is not the life I wished for.
Girlfriend, if I tell you I don't understand what you're talking about, I'm a liar. Childlessness is not what I wish for somebody, not even my enemy. It drains life out of somebody, especially the women.
But I'm medically okay. Why am I yet to conceive for my husband?
Is your husband medically okay?
Pascal has vehemently refused to see Dr. Damien for the fertility test.
Why?
I honestly do not have answers to that.
Maybe the fault is from him. Oh.
I can't say. It's for Dr. Damien to ascertain.
Why am I even saying maybe? The fault is from your husband. Maybe he has zero sperm count or watery. Why are you looking at me like that? Since he refused to go and check himself, maybe that's why he's hiding from the doctor now.
I wouldn't know, I'm not a doctor.
Girlfriend, that is the more reason you should force your husband to go and see a doctor.
Do you know you're a big fool? An ingrate for that matter.
Excuse you.
Only a fool pays back good with evil. And you would never know what you have until you lose it. And you come back crying. Your eyes go clear.
I'm just an African rich guy who
cannot eat a particular soup every day.
Exactly my point.
Exactly. Just keep messing up. Keep treating her like she's nothing. Instead of you to join forces with your woman and look for a way out of your childlessness, you are busy frolicking around with your secretary.
We are looking for a way around it. Maybe I should look for a way around it and leave me out of it because it's obviously not my fault.
Are you listening to yourself? Maybe I should find a way around it as if you're not the one who needs a child. Just keep being so insensitive.
That's enough, please. Enough of all this. It's enough already.
No, it's not enough. If you don't have anyone that will tell you, I will be the one to tell you. You need to stop gallivanting the whole time with your side chicks and focus on having your own children. If nobody has told you, you are the cause. Now because of you, make you never born. And you should take it serious.
I said enough now. What's up? You see me for your dream? Enough.
The problem is the truth they eat you for ear. You don't want to hear. You don't want to listen.
What if he refuses?
Refuses what?
To what you opined.
What is bad in telling your husband not to release inside you? So you can see if his sperm is watery or thick. There's nothing bad in it.
Rose! No, he hasn't got to that. Pascal is really not that kind of man. He might think I just want to use him for an experiment or I want to make jest of him. See, Pascal is no longer the sweet man that I fell in love and married.
You know, I used to think marriage is all about roses and moonlight. But that is not the case.
We used to be happy when he had no money. And now he is rich. I wish to end it all. Rose, I'm a sad woman.
Amber, what if your husband is cheating on you? Yes. Because it's only when a man is seeing someone else that he changes his attitude towards his wife.
He thinks I'm responsible for my inability to conceive.
What? Why would Pascal even think it's your fault? No, tell me, why would Pascal think it's your fault when he married you as a virgin? Ha, girlfriend, this one no, don't pass and help me on Yalomaka. It's time for you to do something. Force him. If you want me to bring area boys, I can bring 5, 6. We'll bundle him to that hospital to do that test. Are we even begging him?
Well, he's not that kind of man. He wouldn't agree to that.
You're the one taking this charge from him because me, I will not. So you want to keep crying and keep praying? So he will keep blaming you for your childlessness. Is that what you want?
It's 5 years of marriage.
I'll be going to Abuja first thing tomorrow morning.
You're seeing Dr. Damien upon your return.
Seeing Dr. Damien, why?
Honey, just to run the fertility test.
Which
That's all.
fertility test? Nothing is wrong with me, so why am I seeing him?
Babe, you keep getting this whole thing all wrong. See, procrastination is a thief of time. And time, they say, waits for no man.
You're the one getting it all wrong because nothing is wrong with me. I'm just going for a business meeting and I'm not going there to see any doctor. Nothing is wrong with me. I've told you that before. Stop telling me to go see a doctor. Why am I seeing a doctor?
Honey, please.
Don't honey
just
me.
do this for me. I beg of you.
Please,
You've tried severally to get me pregnant, but it's not working.
But it's not my fault. It's your fault.
My fault?
Yeah, I don't know. It could be your fault. Maybe not medically. I don't know. Maybe if you check well, something could be wrong somewhere. Please, I need to go to bed. I'm catching a flight first thing tomorrow morning. I have to be up early.
Good morning, Mommy. He traveled to Abuja this morning, Mom. Yes, he has a business meeting. Mom, is there a problem? You've not actually called this early before. Mom, I've really tried everything within my powers to convince Pascal to see Dr. Damien, but he wouldn't even listen to me. I don't know why he's being unnecessarily obstinate. Wow! That's good news! Oh my God, I'm so happy for her. Thank God. Mom, of course I should be happy for her because I know mine is on the way.
Hello, babe. 201. Okay, I can hear your voice.
place looks amazing.
Yes. Yes. I will devour you today. I came prepared. I came prepared.
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful.
Just a cozy place and coded place I like staying.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you waiting for?
What's the phone?
Baby, I'm hungry.
No, after.
No, I'm hungry. Wait, babe, I am hungry. I'm hungry, please. Can I just eat?
No.
Okay, wait. Just.
Let's
Okay, you put small.
Let's eat before the food.
Oh.
Let's eat food before the food.
Okay.
Mabel, what other things do you do in this house apart from clinging to this your holy Bible morning, afternoon, and night?
You've come again. Of course, you know my Bible is my only solace.
And you don't do any other thing? Mabel, have you eaten today?
I've not. I'll still eat.
You've not eaten today, you will still eat. That's fine. So, how are you and how is your husband?
I'm fine. At least we're still alive. I thank God.
That's good. So, has he concurred to doing the needful?
No.
I don't understand. Why is your husband so stubborn?
My sister, I don't know.
You know, I'm trying to get this straight. Why would somebody be having lots of challenges and yet pretend to be fine? I don't get it.
Well, while we were in bed last night, he told me he was going to Abuja. So I quickly reminded him to see Dr. Damien upon his return. But guess what he did? He bluffed.
Wait a minute, Mabel. Your husband traveled today?
Yes, this morning.
I don't get this whole thing. You guys have been married for 5 years. 5 good years, yet no child. And your husband is sitting comfortable on it. How? I don't understand. Is there something your husband is hiding and I don't get it?
Rose, honestly, I'm tired of picking fights on a daily with my husband over this issue. I just wish there's something else I can do. Like maybe another approach.
There is no other approach, Mabel. The only approach here is your husband seeing Dr. Damon, nothing else. What are you even talking about? Is seeing the doctor a problem? I guess your husband is hiding something from you that you don't know.
Bruce, I think you're right. My husband might actually be hiding something in his cupboard. You're right.
Mabel, you don't know the extent men can go in keeping secrets from their wives. You don't know men. Baby, thank girlfriend.
You're just so sweet.
That was a hot one.
What you call yourself is what you are.
Sugar.
Sweet in the middle. Yeah? It is everything. Huh? What did you put in there?
Nothing.
What did you add in your stew?
Nothing.
There is something you put there.
Na normal grace, my brother.
Normal grease.
Na normal grace they use in Angola.
Okay. Well, the thing is, I notice I come fast on doggy these days.
Yes, have you noticed? You come fast on doggy these days.
Is it not? Is your fault? I don't know what you added there.
You really like doggy.
But let me promise you something. You see these days, the next time, just put your time on 2 hours.
What?
2-3 hours non-stop.
Please, I don't have such strength. After all, I'm not
No,
your
be ready
wife.
for me. Be ready for me because I am coming to that for you. Okay,
Yes.
so you see, I was thinking. I thought of it. I thought of it a few days ago. I said, it would actually be nice if you have my child, your baby girl is so fine.
or your baby boy will be cute. What do you think? Have you thought about that?
Mabel, something is off about your husband. He's definitely hiding something from you. Girlfriend, don't form the habit of sweeping your problem under the carpet. Face it, trash it out with him.
Rose, I can't continue to fight my husband simply because of his refusal to abide to my bidding. No, I'm a virtuous woman.
Who is asking you to fight your husband, Mabel? I am not asking you to fight him. You have other ways to go through this.
You know what? I'll just continue to pray for him.
For how long? No, how long do you intend to pray? You've been praying for... Since I know you, you've been praying for this particular man. Are you not tired of praying? Sometimes there are things we should just keep prayer aside and face it. Do it with our hands. Now, say God wants you to do it by yourself, or your own self. Leave that prayer aside. If it's my husband...
What are you suggesting I do?
Sweetheart, find a way around it. He's your husband. He's not my husband. If your husband were to be my husband, Makachi, I would have bundled him to that hospital. Yes.
I don't understand. What happened to your wife? Don't you have kids?
Well, unfortunately, we don't have one yet. You know, we've been looking for one for some years now.
Have you guys gone for tests?
Oh yes, she has gone for tests. But me, of course, it's not from me.
Have you gone for tests?
No, it's not my fault. It can't be my fault. Do you know I was such a bad boy back in secondary school? I got a girl pregnant back in secondary school. I think when I was about entering writing a YEC during that time. I got a girl pregnant.
Wait, I need to understand something. You can't get your wife pregnant and all this while you've been knocking all this to letter. I never even carry belly. I don't even see my period
How
two
can
times.
you carry belly when we are using protection?
But babe, the last 3 times we've been doing it is without protection.
Well, maybe because we've actually not talked about it.
No,
like
don't
that.
tell me that. I think you're important.
I'm impotent.
No, what other reason? I mean, to that?
Didn't you hear what I said? You know what? You know what I see in all this thing?
What?
You just don't want to do it for me.
That's not what I am saying.
No, it's fine. How can you call me important? I just told you that in my school days I got a girl pregnant and it's obviously not my fault.
But what I am saying is that you should just check yourself. Babe, you see, if I just have a big scrotum doesn't make you a man. Just check yourself, that's all.
You are still insulting me.
See, make you check your bola. I thought back to you couldn't help me.
Mabel, you will be here cleaning yourself with fasting and prayer while your husband is outside gallivanting with girls. You'll be praying morning and night, morning, afternoon, night.
Did you see him?
Madam, hold on. The network is very...
Solid furniture. Yes.
Hi! You fuck up, oh! Shit, why not tell me now? Do you know how long I don't die for this guy? Eh? Hi! Look at this one. You not try, you're not a better person, no. Do you know how long I've been dripping for this guy? What's your problem, sir? Which can get you be safe?
Madam, hold on.
The network is very
So, marriage man, so. See, I yesterday the guys, they pay well and even know how to do. You understand?
Madam, please hold on. There is no network for this.
They don't have a kid yet. And the worst part is that the guy doesn't even care.
And
Madam, please, so this now, this
Madam, you do that, put that in, get network.
Hold on, madam, no network.
You don't get network. No transfer aggression. You be to the worries.
What exactly did I do to Pascal? really tried to be a virtuous woman. But he keeps serving me with buckets of tears. What did I do? When all I showed to him is genuine love.
Mabel,
Just trying to be a good woman.
It's not come here for you to cry. You need to act. He knows that you'll be crying. That's why he keeps doing it. If you show action now, you will stop doing it. Yes, please. It's okay. It's okay now. See, you will get ugly. Oh. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying.
God, I need you. God, I need you.
Mabel. Mabel. It's okay. Stop crying. I will slap you.
You guys didn't travel again? My sister, Pascal had the guts, the temerity to sleep with me and abandon me in the hotel.
Why? I don't understand.
You don't understand what? I am trying to tell you that Pascal slept with me in the hotel. When he was done knocking the pennies on my head, he left me just like that. Just like that.
In Abuja.
Which Abuja? My sister, newsflash. We did not go to any Abuja. He slept with me in one of the most expensive hotels. They are one of the most exotic hotels in this town. That's where he slept with me. Which Abuja?
I thought you said you guys were flying first class to Abuja.
That's what he said. That's what he told me. But he changed the plan along the line. And I don't know why. Hi! Gosh. Sugar.
What happened?
I don't understand that question. This girl, have you smoked? Have you taken something? Which kind of question be this one now? I did try to tell you, say, marry men and they knock everywhere, office, restaurant, every corner, toilet, club, eh? Say he knock me finish, he abandoned me for hotel. You see, they ask me what happened. Eh?
You know you talk too much. You must have overstepped your boundaries. There is a limit to what any man can take from a woman, no matter what.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, just shut your mouth. I shut it for you. Shut that hole you call a man before I plaster it back into your face. Nonsense. Stop inflating my pain. Just stop adding to my stress. Stop it. Ha! Sugar. You that is sweet in the middle. A man just knocked you just like that and left. The worst part of it is that I've been calling this idiot. I've been calling this unrepentant bastard. And he has been busy in my cause.
Now you're beginning to sound like a broken record. I mean, you are even lucky that he paid for the sweets. If not, those people would have seized you or even seized your phone or maybe your hair.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? It's true. Ha! Hey! Go do his testimony time. Oh. Hey! It's true.
Good.
I didn't even think about it. Ah, Pascal. It will never be well with you. Pascal, wherever you are, you will suffer.
I have had no single joy since I got married to Pascal. I've tried to figure out what exactly I did to him. Honestly, I can't figure it out. My husband changed so much. From someone I used to know to someone I don't even know at all. God. I think I made a great mistake in my marriage. I should have listened to Rose. In her words, she would always say, Mabel, don't push yourself into Pascal's life simply because of things you did for him. That was her exact words. But I was desperate. I was so desperate to marry him simply because I made him. God. Now look at it. Everything has fallen apart. I don't even know where to start. Just a shadow of myself. I can't even force him to love me. What do I do? Dear God, you are my only hope and solace. Please amend my marriage. Please, please.
Pascal, what's up?
I'm alright.
What's good now?
Your call came as a surprise. I was thinking you've flown to Abuja for the business meeting.
How do I say this? I don't even know how to put this.
What's going on? Was the meeting cancelled?
No, actually, there was no meeting. Guy,
You know these things now. I travel with my secretary to have a good time. You know, all works and no play makes Jack a dull boy. You know, so they're just to chill out, nothing serious.
Pascal, if I understood you very well, you traveled to Abuja with your secretary to lodge in a hotel.
Yeah, why are you sounding like you know how these things works now? You talk like a saint. Don't you know how these things works?
Pascal, what is wrong with you?
Anyway, Sugar said something that got me, so I went straight to see the doctor.
Which of the doctors?
Doctor, you know, of course.
Wait, Mabel and I have been trying to get you to go see Dr. Damien for a very long time, but you refused. What happened? Obviously, whatever she said to you prompted you to go see Dr. Damien. What did she say? Pascal.
Come in, the door is open. Ah, my mother. Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. How are you?
Fine.
You're looking good.
Hi.
So, Mama, what do I offer you?
Don't bother yourself.
Mama, I shouldn't bother. I shouldn't even get your favorite orange juice.
Don't worry, that's not what I came
Mama, let me get it.
Don't worry, that is not what I came for. Don't bother yourself.
This one you're saying I shouldn't bother. Mama, I hope I'm safe.
You are safe. Mabel, why are you looking like this? Is it that you don't have a mirror? Why will you allow what you are going through get at you? I don't like the way you look.
How am I looking? Mom, you won't understand. You know, this whole thing is just seeming like I'm the only one that is bothered about the whole childlessness. Makes me feel lost at times.
And that is why I have come. Yes, I came with good news.
Good news?
Yes. Trust your mother. I came with this. With herbs. Good mixture. Herbal mixture. Very strong one. This one is called cleanser. Yes. You will take it with your husband. If you take it, it will go to your fallopian tube. If there's any blockage there, it will clear it. Then if your husband should take it, it will go to his system and do washing and setting, including you. It will purge you. Purge you very, very well. Then after the purging, you take 2 tablespoons of red oil and it will stop. Yes.
Mom!
Yes. Yeah. Let's get down to business. This is the cocoa. You see this one? This one is the main herbal mixture. This one will enter your fallopian tube and restore all that you have lost, including your husband. It will go to his system, wash out the nonsense and replace it with good ones. Huh?
Wait, Mom. I don't understand. I'm not understanding this whole thing. You actually brought these herbs for myself and my husband?
Yes.
What for?
What kind of nonsense question is that? Why will you ask me that question? I should just sit and fold my hands and watch my daughter. Just like that. No child. No, now.
I don't get it, Pascal. You mean that you finally ran the test?
Yeah.
After how many years? Your wife and Dr. Damien have been trying to get you to do this test for so many years, but you bluntly refused. What did Sugar, or whatever her name is, told you that made you do the test? You waited this long to do a test you ought to have done a long time ago. It baffles me how those who have buttocks don't know how to sit. God gave you a good woman from the get-go. But I'm sorry to say this. You're about to lose her due to your negligence and foolishness.
What do you mean?
I had a dream. And in that dream, it was a very beautiful, glamorous wedding between this big man from the States and Mabel.
Maybe I'm my wife?
Yes.
You must be mad. Or maybe you have fever, treat malaria or something before it gets worse.
You know, my dreams often come to reality. I think God is about to compensate your wife with a good man that truly deserves her. I was a special guest in that wedding. What a ceremony. Nice.
Could be a specialist, a special hospital. You should have a look.
Mom, it's surprising to me you brought Pascal and I herbal mixtures when you know fully well that nothing is wrong with me medically.
If nothing is wrong with you, what about Pascal? The last time I checked, he has refused to go for the fertility test, which you have been begging him to.
Okay. So is that why you brought us herbal mixtures?
Listen, my dear, you don't have to be afraid. I prepared this herbal myself. Or have you forgotten that I stayed with my grandfather who served the god of fertility? See, you know, he knows what and what to mix to give to expectant couples. They will conceive and bear children and come back for testimonies. So I did it myself. I know what and what to mix.
Come to think of it, Mom, are you sure your involvement with these people is not the reason I've not been able to have my own child?
Am I the one that served the god of fertility? Is it not my grandfather?
But it's possible they chose you without you knowing. Was it not you that cooked those chicken they brought for Thanksgiving back in those days?
You are talking nonsense. Have you forgotten how you used to use my food and do love wanting? Didn't I warn you?
Mom, you can't blame me. I love Pascal and I still love him.
Love, you say? Mabel, you were supposed to love with your head and not your eyes. Pascal's good look lured you into the wrong hands.
No, I didn't love him for his looks. I loved him from my heart. It wasn't about looks.
From the way I see it, this love is one-sided. And if it's one-sided, the one who loves most will suffer it all.
Anyways, I know love is pain.
All I want is grandchildren. Mabel, I need grandchildren. I need grandchildren. Come, please, I forget. When are you starting work? Since you graduated from the university and served your father's land for 1 year, so you are comfortable sitting at home answering housewife.
My prayer is that you lose Mabel so that I can laugh you to scorn.
Sometimes I wonder if you're truly my friend.
I am still your friend. A friend that has your best interests at heart.
I doubt.
You don't need to doubt about the authenticity of my friendship. I was here when it all started. Now you want to turn your back against the only woman that stood with you? Pascal, you used to have this body odor that scares girls away from you.
You're my girl.
I am not joking. I'm very serious. You have this serious body odor oozing out from you. This odor never allowed girls come close to you. Did you remember Precious? Precious. She looked you in the eyes and told you that you stink. Pascal, the only girl that was not discouraged by your odor was Mabel. She stayed and endured with you. Pascal, I watched her clean you up. She bought soaps, detergents, colognes for you, looked you in the eyes and told you that it will make you smell nice, with beautiful smiles. Now, how do you pay her back? You turned your back against the only woman that has loved you when you were nothing. You are such an ingrate. I'm going to leave you to your conscience. Go back to Mabel before it's too late. Have a nice day.
I'm ready to run the test.
Ah, Mr. Pascal. So, you finally woke up from your slumbering. It's alright. I'll get the nurse to take your sperm for a test.
Pardon?
I'll get Nurse Abigail to take you to a room to collect your sperm for a test.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you. It's alright.
Honey, I've been doing lots of thinking lately.
Okay.
And I feel as a graduate of chemical engineering, it's really not good staying in the house and doing nothing. It makes me bored, actually. So, I was thinking I just get a job somewhere. What do you think? I just said something and you're quiet. Say something. Yes! I think that to be a yes from me. I know you! Oh my gosh, come here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god! It's a yes!
Wait, why are you being overly dramatic?
Come on, did you just ask me that?
Yeah, because that's what you're doing.
Rose! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hello, Rose, guess what? I need you to take a wild guess. My husband just approved that I start working. Yes. It's fine. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe you said yes. Okay, you know what? I just have to comport myself. I want to tell you that your wife seated in front of you just got a job offer in Kobik Oil and Gas. Does the name ring a bell?
Ooh, you are the only one I live for. No one else will ever do. Yeah, I know I have hurt you 1,000 times. Please give me a chance to make amends, baby. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you, a chance to heal your broken heart. I don't deserve you. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you. I'll cherish you like the queen that you are. Oh, yeah. You have cried for so many nights. I was really blind to see. Distracted by my foolishness, baby. If you give me one more chance, I will never break your heart. I will love you till the end. Baby, this I promise you. If you give me one more chance, I will never break your heart. I will love you till the end. Baby, this I promise you. A chance to hold you.
I got the job already. Oh my God, sir, I wasn't expecting it to be this easy. I should start on Monday. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you, sir. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Monday I'm coming. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
You're not starting any job on Monday. I heard it.
Honey, I got the job.
I said you are not starting any job on Monday. I'm not daft. I heard what you said. Or whatever you said on the phone.
Why?
Because why has 2 branches and a long tail. That's the reason.
No, honey. You can't be this way. You already gave your consent. Why change now?
Well, you heard what I said. I didn't really give my consent because you didn't really allow me to talk. But let's assume I give my consent. I've changed my mind. All right? I don't want you working for any MD.
What is going on? What is it? Since the inception of this marriage, it's always about you. You. You don't even care about what I want to do, who I want to become, how I want to live my life. It's about you. Listen, I have to do this. It's 6 digits. Honey, you need to understand this is a job.
Don't be wasting your energy. You will not do the job. If it's about the C0, I will increase your salary.
Babe.
Yes, you heard me. I'm sorry about that. You're not doing the job.
Pascal, leave me alone. It's too early.
It's not about leave you alone. Where are you going? Are you going to work or something?
Pascal, I can't do this with you this morning. Just leave me alone.
Wait first. Wait. Hold on. Where are you going? That's my question. Answer me first.
I can't do this with you this morning.
I'm asking a question. Where are you going? You're going to work.
Pascal, get out of my way.
I'm not going anywhere. Just tell me where you are. I married you, right?
For the upturn time, leave my way.
You're not going anywhere. That's my instruction. I gave you instruction not to walk, and that is what you must obey.
Really?
Yes.
You know what? You are filled with insecurities.
Okay.
You go about town gallivanting with your numerous side chicks. You without even a respect or sacredness to our marriage. And you dare talk to me? Excuse me.
I'm not
excusing you. Go up there and change to your house where you're not going anywhere. That's the instruction.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Pascal. I blame myself for all of this. You never wanted to marry me. I literally forced you into this marriage. You had no business getting married to me, but I admit it. I admit it was my fault. But you know what? I'm tired of this whole thing called marriage. I'm tired. I'm losing it. I want a divorce.
You know, you've been really talking about this divorce thingy. Is that what you really want?
I say it over and over because that is what I want. You are driving me crazy. I am going nuts because of you. I want a way out. I need to leave.
Alright. Divorce you shall get. But before then, go upstairs and change. You're not going anywhere.
Thank you. You will hear from my lawyers.
I said you're not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I give you my heart, my soul, my everything. Boy, you done that way, chasing fleeting dreams. I waited in silence, hoping you would see the love that I offered, the woman I could be. I've been crying, rain, night after night, hoping you would come back, make everything right, but you keep running.
Congratulations, Mr. Pascal.
Congratulations for what?
What? It's negative.
That's fertile, yeah?
You have no fertility issues and you're 100% fertile and potent.
I said it. I just came for this just to fulfill my wife's doubts and my friend, because I know I am fine, nothing is wrong with me.
Of course not.
I know nothing is wrong with you, obviously.
Happy for you.
Wow, but that look, you scared me.
Well, you know, I have this mixture of feelings that what could be causing the delay, you know.
Yes, coming to that, exactly. I am fertile, my wife is fertile, so what's the problem? This is no longer funny.
Of course.
I mean, it's not been funny anyway. So what's the problem?
Well, Mr. Pascal, you see, how is your relationship with your wife? Is it cordial? Let's start with that, because I hope you're not your own enemy.
Well,
Good day, Mr. Pascal.
who are you and why you barge into my office like that?
But I knocked severally.
Did you hear me say come in?
Well...
Or did you hear me say sit? You just sat. Who are you?
Well, I am Barrister Benjamin. And these are divorce papers. I am a solicitor to Mrs. Mabel Pascal. And she has asked me to terminate your marriage to her. Mr. Pascal, you are required to sign these papers as quickly as possible. Have a nice day.
So this woman has been working on this divorce, I believe, for long.
Hi, babe. What's that? You heard me, sugar. Who was that just left the office?
As a lawyer, he came to send me divorce papers from my wife.
Holy Moses, you're joking, right? Ah, Jesus wept. I would come off it, babe. Is that why your mood is like this? Come on. That's why I am here. Is that why you're in this mood? I'm here for you. I will make sure you won't even miss her. After all, she didn't do anything tangible for you. She was nothing but a piece of furniture decoration in the house. Baby, come on, okay? My sugar.
So tell me, girlfriend, what is your new position in this office?
Girl, your friend is the new deputy manager.
It's a lie. How did you fly to that? How did you fly to that post?
I've always known the managing director. I served in his place when I was in Oyo, but he actually promised me a job if I was done with my service, and incidentally I bumped into him and...
Wow, and he kept that promise.
Yes. He has always had this soft spot for me. And he also told me about his son who resides in the US. His name is Reginald. He works in the hospital.
You even know his name?
Pascal, you're a loser. Pascal, you're a loser.
Mrs. Reginald.
Rose, you're crazy. Honestly, I said I should drop by from my lunch place to say hello to you. So I have to run along.
No problem. You can go back. Let me to go back to my work. We see this discussion. We'll continue it at home. Mrs. Reginald. Mrs. Reginald.
You're already calling me a Mrs.
Please, Pascal is an old story. Biko.
Oh my God, babe, that was hot. Goodness me.
You always give it to me hot.
You know, baby, I'm always sweet in the middle. Okay, babe, there's something I wanted to discuss with you.
Okay, what is it?
I wanted to make something special. Something very nice for you. Like a special recipe. So I wouldn't know when you'll be free so I could invite you over to the house and make it for you.
Oh, you want me to come over?
Yes, I wanted to come over.
Okay, that'll be nice. So when?
Let's say today.
Today?
Yes, baby.
Okay, I'll be there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Mwah! I will be expecting you.
Okay.
Tinibu dance, 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 Tinibu dance,
Sugar, this is your jubilating. Did you mean it?
Hey! My sister, what the Lord cannot do does not exist. Hey! My sister. You know I am super duper happy. You know why? Because all my raboshits, all my kabash are finally coming into existence. Yes.
Gist me now. What happened?
You remember the log of wood I was talking about? Oh, you don't understand. Let me put this off so you can understand me. That piece of furniture that is being used as a decoration in the house finally filed for divorce. My baby's wife filed for divorce.
Sugar, you joking?
Why would I be joking? This is something I've been longing for. Hello? Come and see what the Lord has done for me. Come and see what the Lord has done for me.
You mean that woman wants to leave her husband?
Are you kidding me? Please, any drink, anything smoke, anything drinkable in this house, bring it.
Sugar.
Yes, darling, sweet in the middle.
Are you trying to say you've been praying for another woman's downfall?
Where are you standing? Who are you with? Who are you supporting? Are you a confused antelope?
Sugar, you are just so unbelievable. The woman filed for a divorce and you're happy about it? What kind of a person are you? What kind of a person are you? Why are you happy for another woman's downfall? I mean, you've been sleeping around with this man anyhow and wherever you want. Like, that's not enough. You want to have him all to yourself now?
No, why are you shouting? See, why are you shouting? I need to understand
karma is real.
Pregnant of this place, look at her. Unrepentant bastard. Wearing some pink and black like some upcoming Ogboni patient. A hungry one at that, retarded fellow. Useless bitch. Can you imagine? That's why you're not in a serious relationship in your life. Even your father and mother that gave birth to you have even rejected you from the ovum. Useless idiot. Can you imagine? You should be baked as a retarded cake, as a rotten cake. Upcoming millipede. From the Jupiter, not even from Earth. I don't know how I'm living and coping with you.
Thank you, Jesus. This is me fulfilling my dream of becoming an engineer. Engineer Mabel. Sounds so sweet. God, you do this one, no? Wow. I can't believe this.
My darling, guess what? My sugar bunny, my pepperito, my lover is coming to see me today. Yeah, so I would like you to make yourself useful even though you have a useless life. Talk to one of those useless guys on your phone so they could come take you out because I'll be needing some space to be able to entertain him.
Your boss is coming to the house.
I said my babe. Talk about the devil. Hi, baby. Hi. Very sorry. Let me introduce to you my very irritating, stinking friend. Very uncomfortable though, I know. I know that look. Her name is Eve. Eve with my man, my pepperito.
Hi, Eve.
Hi. So babe, it's time to give it to you. Up, down, left, center, middle, front. How do you want it? Because there's no time. Who cares about her? Please. Baby, tell me, how do you want it?
Baby, can I at least sit first?
Oh, sorry, baby, my bad. I'll sit with you, right? So, tell me, how do you want it?
Really, I'm hungry. I need to eat.
Then we go to a nice restaurant where you can eat something nice. But that's after we're done killing ourselves.
No, baby. Easy now. I thought you said I'm coming for dinner. Do you want me to slump? I need to eat so I will have energy.
I need this thing. I need it.
I need to have energy to fire down. You know what it is.
You promise?
Exactly.
Okay, fine. I'll go make something for you to eat. Okay. I'll be right back, okay? Mwah.
Are you saying Pascal is not back from the office yet?
I haven't seen his shadow.
Oh, because I called him and he told me he's back home.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, he's not here.
I can see. So tell me, how are you doing?
I'm alright. I'm fine.
I can see because you're glowing.
Thank you. Anyways, I started work.
Really?
Yes.
Nice. So, how's work going?
Fine.
That's great. So this guy finally gave in.
He has no choice. Anyways, I filed for a divorce.
What? What did I hear you just say?
You heard me clearly.
No. Look, let me tell you. If you leave Pascal, he's going to die.
Oh my God. Who is feeding you with such lie? That means you do not know your friend. Yes. Because he wholeheartedly obliged to sign in the papers. So I'm practically waiting for him to sign. Then I'm out.
No, this is not happening. Look, Pascal confided in me that if you leave him, he's going to die. Honestly.
He better die.
Maybe, come on. Don't.
Babe, where's the food though?
I'm coming. Wait in the middle.
I was actually taking time.
Sorry, baby. That's your food. Bon appetit. Guess what? I use shombo, you know all this tatachi, crayfish, even no sensuka. You'll love it.
In the same food?
I'm telling you.
You really came prepared. You're giving it to me hot.
You know we have work to do.
Oh, yes.
Can't wait. Hey. Nice, right? I told you, I'm not just sweet in the middle. I'm also sweet in the kitchen.
Water!
Okay. What? Hey!
Water!
Hey! See that? Hold on. What? It was just Lusuka pepper that I put away. Who say sugar? Who say what is swag?
So you don't know how to cook?
Baby, I am sweet in the middle. I'm telling you, I'm also sweet in the kitchen. I'm sweet.
Going home.
Baby, it's not just this.
Don't kill me before my time. Excuse me.
Baby, my blood is sweet in the middle. Baby, this thing is sweet like me, huh? What?
Mabel, please, don't do this. Don't do something that you are going to regret after. Pascal has no life without you. I mean, forget the pride that he's exhibiting. You know, we men, we have this pride in us, but honestly, he will die.
Basil, you honestly don't have to beg me. Why? It's not holding water. I have decided that I will never be with a man who absolutely feels nothing for me. It's not making any sense. Okay, the other day, I heard him tell you that he regrets being and ending up with a woman like me.
Where did you hear that from?
Does it matter? Anyways, I overheard you both. The thing is, we are adults. All we need right now is separation. We need to separate and go our different ways. There is no way two adults who know that they virtually feel nothing for each other. The feeling is mutual. We are done. It's best we just go our separate ways and be happy. Yes.
This shouldn't be happening.
Anyways, the honest truth is that I deserve to be happy. Yes.
I think he's back.
I'll be upstairs.
Pascal, you are such a fool.
You mean you made that nonsense for your would-be husband? Hey, no wonder he couldn't eat it despite all the I love you, I love you, I love you.
But he should have at least, he should have eaten the food because of the love he has for me.
My dear, wake up. No man eats beauty.
But he told me in confidence that he fell in love with me because of my beauty.
Hey, sugar,
sweet in the middle.
Let me tell you the honest truth. You don't know how to cook. As a matter of fact, your beauty does not complement your cooking skills. Not at all.
Since I'm not good in the kitchen, he should manage this one. I am good over here. Let him be eating this one morning, afternoon and night.
Madam.
Yes.
Go and learn how to cook. No man eats beauty. He already said he wants to divorce his wife and marry you. That alone should make you see reasons why you should learn how to cook.
But you're here now. You can help me, right?
Help you with what?
Teach me how to cook now.
Okay, of course I can. But I charge for cooking tutorials.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Please. Your sugar daddy is rich.
Go and take several sips with horns. I ain't telling you in the basket.
Stay there and expect them to eat sweet in the middle.
Oh, please. I'm sweet in the middle.
Nice one.
It's not my fault.
Nice one.
Deal with it.
He just walked out.
Oh, please.
He just walked out.
He will still come back to the sweet
in the middle when he was
hungry.
He
will come back to the sweet in the middle.
Nice one.
Now, and he can't stay without my pom-pom.
Nice. You will soon wake up.
I'm talking to you. Pascal, why haven't you signed the divorce papers?
I signed it.
You do it. Why didn't you sign it outrightly? Barrister Benjamin brought it to your office.
I was busy all through the day. I will sign it.
Busy. Busy frolicking with a girl in your office. How shameless can you get?
This marriage is as good as gone. It's only remaining to sign the divorce papers and the whole thing ends.
You know, given to your whole attitude, I was thinking you would be in a hurry to sign the papers.
I'll sign it.
Make sure you sign those divorce papers tomorrow. I don't want another cock and bull story. I won't buy it. Nonsense. Good evening, sir. I'm fine, sir. I know, I've not gone to bed. I'm actually making dinner. What about you? You've had dinner? Okay, sir. No, no one is stressing me, sir. Have a good night, rest. Good night. Oh my God. But honestly, I'm surprised you're calling at this time. Yes. Because I just spoke to your dad, my MD. What? What? You want to marry me and bring me over to America? How? Oh my God, Reginald, you need to stop joking right now. How do you want to marry someone you barely know? You don't even know me. Stop joking, stop joking. You're coming back to Nigeria next week. Come, you're beginning to sound serious. Married? Well, I'm into something that would end before next week. It's on the process already. No, I can't. I don't have to tell you everything. Yes, I made a mistake and I regret it. Yes. It doesn't matter, I'm fine. You know, there's always a room to start afresh. Yes, I'm fine. I regret it, but I'm fine. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, nice talking to you. You call me again tomorrow? Alright, take care. Bye.
Mr. Pascal, it's 1 week already. And my client, your wife, wants to know why you haven't signed the papers you promised to sign.
Am I under any obligation?
Your wife wants to move on with her life, and you owe her that obligation.
I heard you.
Please sign the documents. I beg to take my leave.
She wants me to sign the divorce papers so she can move on with Dr. Reginald.
You know, I'm just looking at my pretty African queen.
Reginald, good to see you.
Well, it's my pleasure, of course. So, how are you doing generally?
I'm good.
I see. Uh, you know, you're so beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. You said that like a million times.
Yeah, I have to say it because you're the most beautiful I have ever seen so far.
Enough of the flattery.
I'm not flattering you, baby. You know it.
You are, because you keep saying it.
No.
Okay, and you don't look bad either.
I know. You know, I do my best to make sure I'm always good, of course. You know. All right. It's my pleasure. I think I'm really gonna have a better time with you, man. Right. Yeah. You know, I've always been looking out for you like this. So I'm glad I'm around. Yo, baby. Baby, I'm gonna miss you.
Really? But we have a date tonight. You forgot?
How can I forget that? Well, I just want to let you know that I love you with all my heart.
For real?
Yeah, sure. You see, maybe you're my kind of woman. I actually fell for you as soon as I beheld your photo that father sent to me abroad. Honestly, you're so beautiful.
I'm surprised.
Why?
Because I've not heard that in a long time.
Come on, baby. You're so beautiful. Or has anyone told you otherwise?
Not really. It's just that I've not heard that in a while.
You're beautiful, baby. So can I kiss you?
No!
Come on, let me just peck you. Baby, you're so beautiful.
I have to go. Yes. And
It's
you have
okay.
to go as well, you know? Just
It's okay,
come
it's
give me
okay.
a hug.
Well, baby.
Bye. See you later tonight.
That's okay. I'm going to see you that time, right?
Right.
You're my kind of woman, you know. All right.
Reginald, go. Merciful Father, you said in your word that whoever findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtains favor from the Almighty. Father, my husband is going to sit for this promotion. Father, I pray that you increase his portfolio. Father, upgrade my husband. Take him to another level. As he sits for this exam, he is going to come out in flying colors. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, uplift my husband. Take my husband to another level. Father, announce my husband in his workplace. Father, bless my husband because I love my husband so much. Bless my home. Crown my husband's efforts with success in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, bless my husband. Bless my husband in the mighty name of Jesus. I want him to be the best in his office. Let him be the best among his equal. Father, announce my husband. Let the kings, let people honor my husband. Father, everything good that my husband has wished for, Father, crown all his efforts with success in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, my husband is going to be a man that will be used to give good example in his office. Anywhere my husband enters is blessed. His foot is blessed. Wherever he drives to is blessed. Every official document he touches is blessed. Father, bless my husband in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, thank you, for I know you have taken my husband to another realm, oh God. Spiritually, physically, Father, bless my husband. Father, thank you, Jesus, for upgrading my husband. Good morning, honey.
Morning.
How was the night?
It's fine, and yours?
And did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. And you?
I'm good. Your breakfast is served.
Okay. Let's go away.
Ouch. Ouch.
And what is going on here? What is going on here?
Nothing.
Excuse me, sir. Get back. Pascal.
Yeah.
Really? Like what I just saw, is it real?
What did you see?
So you're here floricking with your secretary while your boys are there hustling for customers?
What's that supposed to mean?
Are you asking me that? No, I'm blind. Like what I saw is not real, right?
What did you see?
I didn't say it.
Excuse me, sir.
Run back to work now. What do you mean? Please, it's not like something flew inside my eye, so she was helping me remove it.
Oh, come on, tell that to a blind man, not me. Because I know what I saw now.
What did you see? That was what really happened. It's not what you think.
Okay. I'm a fool, right? Pascal, why did you change this much? Because this Pascal here I'm seeing is a changed Pascal. Why are you treating my friend like she's a piece of trash?
It's not what you think. Okay.
Tell me what I think.
Look, please, I want to apologize, okay? Well, whatever happened or whatever you saw, I don't want my wife to hear it. I just want it to end here. I promise it won't happen again.
Pascal, you're shameless. That woman you're treating bad is the same woman that made you who you are today. Her prayers, her knees, her fasting made you who you are today. This office you're messing around with, she put you here. She made you this big man you are today. Where were those girls when you were poor? When poverty was treating you like a piece of trash? My friend was there. You've blown now. You don't get money. They shock you.
Please, like I said, I'm sorry for what happened, okay? Let's not capitalize on what happened. That was a total mistake, and that's not...
You know what? When my friend Mabel dumps you, I will be here to laugh at you. In fact, I will be there that day. I will laugh you to stupor. Call her back. Continue.
I can't even deny it. Hey. How did I get in here?
It's a good thing you're finally awake. What happened?
My wife. Maybe left me for another man.
Which man?
Her boss's son that lives in the States.
Exactly the dream I had.
Please. I know you have said so many things that I didn't listen to. But she's very important to me. I want you to please beg her to come back.
I don't get what happened to your secretary. What happened to your beautiful sugar? Why don't you get a life with her and stop disturbing Mabel?
Please, can you not do this? Help me beg her. I want my wife back, please.
So, All of a sudden, you want your wife back because she's now with this man that really, really do want her. That makes you uncomfortable. And by the way, why haven't you signed the divorce papers?
Hey, what are you saying? How can I sign the divorce papers?
Because she has left you already.
No, she can't leave me. She can't. She can't leave me. Help me beg her. I want my wife back. I can't sign any divorce papers, please.
Pascal, you need to wake up and face reality.
Oh, God.
So, tell me about yourself.
About myself?
Sure.
Reginald, there's nothing really about me. I'm just a boring lady.
Come on, girl. There's a lot to talk about, you know. All right, we can just talk about your love life. How have you been doing while I was abroad? Just talk to me.
My love life. Okay. I am married. Sorry. I was married. Yes.
I don't understand. You're married? You were married? What do you mean? I don't get that.
Yes, because I already filed for a divorce.
So why didn't you tell me? What happened?
He was a chronic cheat.
Your hobby is a cheat?
My ex.
Are you guys divorced already?
Well, I served him the divorce papers, but he's yet to sign it. That's for reasons best known to him. I wouldn't know.
I think he still loves you and doesn't want you to go. Yeah. Because I don't see anything so difficult there to sign. So what about the kids?
Kids? The marriage didn't produce any kid.
How many years of marriage?
5 years.
5 years, no kids. So what could be the issue? Did you guys try to find out?
From my own side, I'm fine medically, but he vehemently refused to go for a fertility test, so I wouldn't know. But the thing is that we are done, like done.
Tell me why you want a woman that you almost killed to come back to you. Maybe ran for her dear life. And I can tell you that where she is right now is better than where she used to be.
Listen, let me tell you. I'm going to fight with everything in me. I can't let my wife go. Doctor, whoever he thinks he is should give up on whatever way he feels about my wife. Because I will not let that happen. I will not live to let that happen. I made a mistake, yes. I was stupid, yes. And I'm ready to take corrections.
What's the fuse about? That woman was your lifesaver, yet you treated her with so much wickedness and hate.
That was in the past.
Oh, really? The truth is that you're a very wicked person. And I should keep my distance from you, because if I don't, you are likely to contaminate me with your evil heart. You're a mean person. I warned you, I begged you, I spoke to you like a friend, I advised you against all this evil that you were doing to her. What did you do? You called me a fool who wasn't making sense because you were enjoying the waste of your secretary. Now you're here blabbing, You want to fight, you want to kill. She's now your everything.
Enough, please, enough of this. I just told you what I told you.
Mabel, I must confess you're such a wonderful and good woman. You hardly can see a woman who will do such for a man these days. The type is rare. Well, I think you should just forgive him since he has realized his mistakes.
Forgive him? I can't go back to him.
Come on, Mabel. You just need to forgive him.
I can't.
You have to, Mabel.
Reginald, listen. It's actually not easy to forgive a man who treated you like nothing. Like you don't even exist.
Mabel, if I ask you to leave your marriage to be with me, then I am not a good person. Yes. You see, marriage has its ups and downs. Not all marriage is sweet and rosy, but you just have to work it out for yourself.
Mine was worse.
Love is pain, Mabel. You love your husband.
He's not my husband. My ex.
Mabel, the love you have for Pascal made you do the things you did for him even when he never appreciated it. But this is still not enough reason for you to walk out of your marriage. Don't you understand? Alright. Now listen. Your marriage is not toxic. He doesn't beat you. He only womanizes. Make it up with him.
I have to be very honest with you. I did everything within and out of myself to make this marriage work. The truth is, Pascal doesn't love me. It won't work.
That's not true. There is no man with his right senses that will not love a beautiful woman like you. You are an epitome of beauty. Don't you know that? You are beautiful. Have you really stood in front of the mirror to look at your beautiful face? Your curves? I mean, your overall beauty? Baby, you're so beautiful. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Okay?
Hi, babe. Good morning. How's your night?
Stop this thing. And look, enough of this baby thing. I am not your baby, I am your boss. Stop this thing. You don't listen. I am your boss, okay? When you come, see, and don't cross here. You're supposed to stay there and say whatever you want to say. Don't be a baby from West.
Stop this now. I just came here to give you good morning kiss as usual.
Come, look, listen, go to your office. Some boys are coming for supply. Go and prepare their invoice now.
I don't understand.
Go to your office and prepare the invoice. They are coming for some. Come, are you okay? You don't listen? Wait, you don't listen? Are you deaf? I said go to your office and prepare the invoice when people are coming so you can supply.
Baby, it is me. You're missing something. It is me. Sweet and the middle. Hey, look, it's me now. It's me.
See, my advice to you is leave this thing you're doing. Leave people's husband alone. I am someone's husband. Pray to God to give you your own husband so you can do all this sweet in the middle with him. Do you understand what I said?
It's quite obvious that block of wood, that piece of furniture decoration that you call your wife, has pissed you off. Now you want to transfer the aggression to me, that ugly thing that...
Don't talk about my wife like that.
If you must know, my wife is the most beautiful woman on earth.
That's a big lie. You told me that she was an ugly ape.
I didn't say
that I was the most beautiful.
No, I didn't say that to you.
You said it!
Even if I said that, that was a joke.
What?
Biggest joke of the century. My wife is the sweetest I've ever seen.
Gandusa.
Yes, you heard me clearly.
You're joking, right?
I'm not sorry. Well, what's all this thing? Are you asking your boss question?
Let me ask you a question. What's even giving the divorce? Why are you guys not yet divorced? I mean, I can't even wait to be your wife. I know all those things you're saying is a joke. You're stressed. Let me just give you a wonderful massage and a BJ. You will love.
I'll give you flying nod, you know. I'm not playing with you. Is it that you don't listen? Go and soak your chaplet inside water and pray to God to give you your own man to give BJ. Leave someone's husband alone. Leave someone's husband alone. I am married. Happily married. Pray to God to give you your own husband. Stop giving someone's husband BJ. Go and give your own BZ. Leave someone's husband alone. That's what I have to tell you. And enough of this crossing. When you come here, you sit here, stand here. I tell you whatever I want to tell you.
I was on my own. I was on my own and you came to me. Let me tell you something. I am sweet in the middle. I decide when someone leaves and when I'm done with someone. And as far as I am concerned, I'm not done with you.
I was on my own and I'm telling you now that I don't want to do it again.
Baby, look here.
Come on, get out of here. Go and come on, get out of here. Don't listen. What's that?
Listen, I will not say this. I won't. Why are you getting yourself worked up? I mean, what's the fuss about? This man suddenly realized that he has a very beautiful, sexy, loving, caring wife at home and needs to face his family. And you're not okay with that. Why should I be okay with that? Why should I be okay with that? After suffering me at different locations, where didn't we have it? The restaurant, hotels, toilets, club, office, meeting hall, name them. And now he feels he can just use and dump me just like that. I won't take it.
What will you do? No, what are you going to do? Because this is a clear case of a babe being very comfortable having an affair with a sugar daddy. You knew from the very beginning that this man is married, happily married. You just went. You want to spoil it by all means. And now he says, I don't want to do again. I have repented. All things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new.
Shut up your mouth.
And you want to kill yourself.
See your lotion when they put Bible. Asharamutu like you. Cheap one, cheap article. See this one. See, let me tell you, I am sugar. I am sweet in the middle. I am the mother hen. I call the shots. I tell when the relationship starts and I tell when it ends. And as far as I am concerned, I am not done with Pascal. As a matter of fact, we are not done. He's going nowhere.
Whether you're done or not, he just abandoned you. I mean, he just dumped you. What are you going to do about it? See, all I will advise as a good friend that I am is you repent as well. Repent, give your life to Christ.
Pascal, after making me run away, insult, lose so many single guys that were coming for me because of you. You promised to marry me. You promised to divorce your wife and get married to me. Now you want to dump me. You are yet to see the last of me. You will feel the wrath of a stark raving mad woman.
Sugar, I hope you're not planning on going to meet the wife for any reason, because that is not going to be fair. Don't even think in that direction. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, whatever it is you're gathering in your head now, I will just advise that the best thing to think about now is just to repent. Leave that woman alone. You've tormented her enough.
I am not surprised. Look at you. Today you're wearing multicolored dress. It actually shows that your senses are not functioning anymore. You just switch like a chameleon. You turn to green, you turn to red, you turn to yellow. Dumb. I warned you. Didn't I warn you? How can a married man tell you to leave your single boy and your single boyfriend and you did? Go and take your pills.
Which
It's evening
pills?
already.
This boy, thank God, he now has sense. Sweet in the middle. You just want to ruin this guy's life. For what now? Ruin his life, ruin his marriage.
Shut up, eh? Rest now. Don't make noise for my ear. What's happen? They don't dump you now if they can't make noise. When it was sweeting you, you did not allow me hear what? See, respect yourself. What is bullshit to wipe your eyes now?
Come in. Good day, Mr. Pascal.
What are you doing here?
Calm down, Pascal.
What are you doing here? Don't tell me to calm down. What are you doing here?
Listen, there is no hard issues. I come in peace. Alright, can I sit?
Sit for what? I asked a very simple question. What are you doing in my office?
We need to talk, but I think I need to sit down to talk with you. Well, if you don't mind. Pascal, how could you? Huh? How could you?
How could what? What the fuck are you talking about?
How could you just let the precious gift God gave to you to slip off your fingers? Huh? I fell for that girl when my dad sent the picture of that beautiful woman to me abroad. Okay, if you must know. My dad has been trying to hook us up together right from our youth service days. Until he called to tell me she disappeared immediately after youth service.
So you're here to mock me?
I was very happy when Father called me to let me know he found her again. Do you know I came over to this country just to marry Mabel before she told me a story? Pascal, you have a life in Mabel. Her oral is so calm and peaceful. I don't know if you don't notice all of this. Go for your wife. Bring her back home. Alright, run the fertility test she has been begging you for. That's not too big to offer you marriage to have a happy home.
I've done the test.
You did? So how come she's not aware?
I've done it.
So you ran the test without deeming it fit to tell your wife? So what's the test result?
Fertile.
Well. Alright, let me see the result to be sure of what you're saying. Can I see it? What? Impressive. This is really, really nice. Okay.
So when you came initially, I was thinking that you're here to mock me. I really don't know what I was thinking, but listening to you, all I see is a man who wants me to go back to my family. Please, I want you to help me. I want my wife back. I'm deeply sorry for everything that happened and I'm ready to take corrections. I'm ready to own up. I'm ready to be that man that she married. That man that she used to know. I'm ready to change my ways.
Mr. Pascal, you see, she's really, really disappointed in you. I mean, you broke her heart into tiny pieces that is so difficult to gather.
I know. I did a whole lot. I'm ready to bring my wife back.
Mr. Pascal, I will advise to get a life back with your wife. Love her. Show her affection. Care for her. I mean, this is not too big for you to offer your family just to have a happy home. But you know what? First and foremost, kneel down and ask her for forgiveness. Because if she genuinely forgives you from her heart, whatever you're looking for, you just get them on a platter of gold.
The thing is that I don't even know where to... I don't know where she is. I've seeked for her, as a matter of fact. I've asked her friends, cousins that I know. I don't know where she is. I am ready. I'm ready, deep down ready to bring my wife back, to change my ways. If I ever have anything to do with another woman that is not Mabel, let me drop dead. That's how far I'm ready to bring her back. Please, help me. Help a brother.
Impressive.
Please.
Impressive. It's alright, I'll see what I can do about it. At least, if you're really a changed man, then it's going to be better for you. I'll see what I can do about it, alright?
Thank you.
He went for the paternity test. How come Dr. Damien never told me about it?
You see, Pascal actually told doctor not to inform me about it. Mabel, I want you to go back to your husband.
Reginald, you came back for us. So what happens to us?
Mabel, in as much I know what you went through in your marriage, I want you to go back to your man. You need him back.
This was not what you promised me.
Mabel, you never told me you were a married man.
I was!
Listen, Pascal wants you back. He loves you. Yes, Pascal was pleading, you know, pleading like a child. I want you to go back to him. Okay?
When he has not told me the results of the test he carried out.
Yeah, the result is negative. As a matter of fact, Pascal is very much okay to father a child. You need him back. Go back to your man. Okay? I can categorically tell you that I am not actually seeing all of these things you just mentioned. Do you know what I see? I see a reformation of marriage. You know? Pascal is a changed man. The Pascal I spoke with today is regretting all of his actions. And he has promised never to repeat all of this again. So please go back to your man. Okay? Please.
He loves you. Every day of my life, I keep praying to God to bring you home. I keep praying to God to correct the mistakes that I made. I keep wishing for the day you will come back home. The truth is that you don't deserve to have me. You're an angel in human form. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. The precious gift God gave to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my foolishness.
No, you don't have to kneel.
No.
Pascal, get up.
I have to kneel. I deserve every punishment from you. I will not stand up until you forgive me. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I forgive you. Just get up.
I give you my heart, my soul, my everything. Boy, you turned away, chasing fleeting dreams. I waited in silence, hoping you would see the love that I offered, the woman I could be. I've been crying, rain, night after night, hoping you would come back.
Very stupid and unreasonable girl. That girl is very stupid. Can you imagine?
It's okay. That was good.
Only imagine the gods.
It's okay. That is history now. I also want to let you know that I've sacked her. I don't want to turn a form of distraction at work.
I'm proud of you, honey. And I'm so happy to have my husband all to myself. I love you.
In your selfish ways, I whispered my fears, but you turned a deaf ear. Now I am left with dreams of a love that was there.
Sugar, what's up with the mood? What happened? I guess it didn't go well. What's up? The wife is back. Are you serious? She threw me out of the house.
What?
The worst part of it is that she was not even listening to anything I was telling her about Pascal. She even ordered the gateman to fling me off the house. I have never been humiliated like this all my life. I've never. Sugar, no longer sweet in the middle. It's obvious. A married man that stood before an ordained priest and before the altar of God and said, I do. For better, for worse, I do. To his wife. Asked you to leave your single boyfriend. A sweet relationship you had that was going very smooth. He said, leave it and date just me. And you agreed. You're the biggest joker of the century. Seriously. As a matter of fact, you don't have sense. You say? You don't. Because if you do, you would have gotten Pascal to settle you. I mean, look at you. You're just too big for this nonsense that's happening to you. Think about it. I'm doing something in the kitchen. See person with the advice person. Person not even there for relationship. When last will learn like you? Shut up.
Okay. But we don't have that. There's this new product I have that I'll send to you. I'm even using it in my living room upstairs. That's what I'm using. So you can put it in your visitor's room. You will love it. It has this bulb shape, and like it comes with five size tools. Okay, I'll send you the samples. It's something you can use in your lounge area. That first one I sent you is what I used downstairs. Then this one, just don't worry, let me just send the sample and let's see if it's what you're gonna like. Then tell me how many pieces. Okay, that's fine. I'll send it right away. Yeah? Sure. We are here to serve you better, my man. Okay, all right. Are you okay? Why are you smiling?
Guess what?
You got us a deal?
Something definitely more than that. Yes. Guess. What have you ever wanted?
A child.
Let's see if you got it. Ta-da! We are expecting.
Oh my God. Oh my God, baby!
I bet you didn't see that coming. God is so faithful.
Yeah, I know I have hurt you 1,000 times.
I love you, man.
Please give me a chance to make amends, baby. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you, a chance to heal your broken heart. I don't deserve you. A chance to hold you, a chance to love you. I'll cherish you like the queen that you are. Oh, yeah. You have cried for so many nights. I was really blind to see. Distracted by my food. never break your heart. I will love you till the end. Baby, this I promise you. If you give me one more chance, I will never break your heart. I will love you till the end.